Good morning, my friends. What is up? It is your friend and pal Seth. My pronouns are he and they. I want to welcome you into your morning inspiration, your morning inspiration video for the day. If we are keeping track of the number, and guess what we are, because that's just what we do here, and just because it's so much freaking fun to do it, okay? It is day number 121 of our morning inspiration videos. 121 videos, y'all. Woo! I absolutely love that. Oh my God, I love it. So, in addition to it being day number 121 of our morning inspiration videos, it is also Friday. It's Friday, y'all. Come on, TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. Okay, so with that being said, since it is Friday, I will wish you a happy, fantastic, and feel good Friday. And I will also ask you the question, how will you make this day fantastic? How will you make the rest of this day the most fantastic, the most fabulous, I also say fabulous, the most fabulous day ever? All right, that is one of my questions for you for this morning. So, I hope that you're doing well. You're making it the most fantastic and fabulous day so far. And if you find that you need just a little bit of some extra added boost, some extra motivation, I really hope this video serves to do that for you today. Helps you to feel just a little bit better, maybe 1 to 3%. Hey, let's stretch it to 4 or 5% better, y'all. All right, so there we go. All right, so inside of this video, I'm going to be discussing what we're going to be talking about inside of our community of practice that meets this morning at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You draw your attention down that's a cute little ticker in there. That's cute little ticker on the bottom. Join our community of practice Monday through Friday at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you, my friends, would like to join us, you can get with me down in the comments below this video and let me know. You can get with me on social media and let me know. Or if you got the link to this video via an email and you don't have the Zoom link, you can reply back to the email and say, Seth, I don't have the Zoom link and I'd like to come to the group today. I'm like, you don't have the Zoom link, baby. Come on now. We got to remedy that. Okay. And I will send you the Zoom link and you can come on the group. And yes, okay, I will get you the hookup. All right. So there we go. All right. So what are we actually going to be doing and talking about inside of group today? So today, y'all, this is going to be an amazing group. Today is our Journey of Strength group, and this is a very apropos topic for Journey of Strength. Today's topic is celebrating small wins on purpose. Yes. Okay, so there we go. Our two songs for inspiration are songs for inspiration. We have the song On Purpose by a group called Nico. It's actually a pop duo. And then we also have a song called Small Wins by Decker. Two incredibly powerful songs. Y'all, okay, if you get a chance to listen to them, if you get a chance to download the lyrics, I highly recommend both of these songs, okay? They are powerful and they are amazing. All right, so inside of our program today, we are going to have the return of our incredible daily affirmations. There are 3 of them inside of today's programming. And you know what, y'all? I'm going to keep saying it until I'm blue in the face. I love our daily affirmations. We get to read them. We get to see how they resonate inside of our healing and recovery and wellness journey. And then we have the invitation to add in our own I am affirmations, our own I am statements for the day. So I will ask you, okay, you. Are there any affirmations that you use on a daily basis or that you can use today in order to help you to have the most fantastic feel-good Friday ever? All right. So if you feel comfortable, put those in the comments. All right. Put those in the comments. All right. So what are we going to be talking about today, y'all? As deep as we got in yesterday's program and everything with getting rid of, the toxic people and the narcissists and just those people are just that are, as I said in my video for yesterday, yicky, okay? Today is going to be even more powerful, all right? Because one of the things we're going to be talking about today is turning pain into purpose, and not just for ourselves, but for others as well. And this is something that is, my God, this is something that is really, really powerful. Figuring out ways to turn our pain or what's going on inside of us, the painful journey that we have had, the negative experiences that we may have faced, the trauma, all of that, and turning that into some kind of purpose, not just for ourselves, but for other people. I want to give you just one example here. One of the things that I do, it's kind of a coping skill for me, it's also a type of personal medicine for me, is I do something called journaling out loud. And I actually learned about this from my incredible mentor, Angus. Angus does a lot of the programming actually for the community practice I belong to. Angus, they are an amazing, amazing individual. Shout out to Angus right there. All right. So Angus had taught me about something called journaling out loud. And pretty much what it is it's literally journaling, not actually writing, but journaling out loud, like recording your thoughts, using, your phone or something in order to do like a video to just start talking about your thoughts and everything, or talk about things. And I started actually doing this and everything, and started, doing these videos and everything on my YouTube channel and sharing them and everything. Now, one of the things that I found out was that it was something that really helped me. So it was about turning my pain and turning, what was going on with me into some kind of purpose, because it helped me in the moment. But I found that also other people were really resonating with it as well. It was something that actually helped them as well. So in that respect, and that's something that I really, really love. And also, inside of the peer community, and everything, the one thing that a lot of us, we all have in common is lived experience and everything. And as peer recovery specialists, which I am, we're able to kind of turn, things that we've gone through and everything, and our recovery and everything that we're going through, into some kind of purpose to help and to aid and to help lead and to help guide others and everything inside of their own journey as well. So that's one of the things we're going to be talking about today, is kind of turning our pain and our trauma and those negative experiences and all that yuckiness and all that into some type of purpose, not just for ourselves, but for other people. All right. And the other thing we're going to be talking about is mental health wins to celebrate. Celebrate good times. I'm sorry, I went to a little Cool in the Gang there. There we go. Okay. So mental health wins to celebrate. And this is actually also something that's really, 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 really powerful. Okay, I was actually just at a recovery conference in Roanoke, Virginia, where I gave a workshop all about finding balance through pain. And one of the things I talked about was kind of helping to give ourselves permission to be able to do things. Like I give myself permission to ask for help. I give myself permission to whatever it is, And one of the things I talked about is to help make giving ourselves permission a lot easier, is by celebrating not just the big wins that we may have and everything, and the goals and everything that we achieve or anything, but celebrating those smaller wins as well. Celebrating, even if it's just getting out of bed, on any given day, whether it's, taking a shower, brushing your teeth, whatever it is, celebrating those small wins. So what we're going to be looking at today is a list kind of mental health wins that we can celebrate. It's just, again, just a little bit of a jumping off point and everything. And, I will say that I will encourage, anyone who has any of those, those small wins and those small victories and everything, if you want to share it, definitely put it in the comments so we can celebrate each other. And because that's something that's also really, really helpful, to help not to just validate ourselves, but to help validate others, and that's something that's really, really amazing. I will leave you with, from the Wellness and Life Advice document by Will and Jen, under the heading of 40 Tips of Living. The advice for today is small daily victories performed with disciplined consistency over extended periods of time lead to revolutionary results. All right. So I think that's something that's really, really powerful. So that will about do it for your morning inspiration, your morning inspiration video for the day. I will say, don't quit before the miracle happens, my babies. Find ways to keep moving forward, because you are amazing. You are worth it. Let's join hands and do this together. Okay. I will also say, stay positive, stay motivated, stay focused on your amazing, huge, big dreams and goals, my friends. All right. Thank you so much for watching our morning inspiration, your morning inspiration video for the day. And I will see you. Hey, you. God, you cute. Look at yourself in the mirror today. You are some kind of cute. You are some kind of gorgeous and beautiful. So I will see you in the morning inspiration video for tomorrow, correct? Yes. Okay, there we go. So I will see you in the morning inspiration video for tomorrow.